I never thought a movie would make me miss किसी का भाई किसी की जान. But alas, इस सिकंदर ने तो हमें बंदर ही बना दिया. हमारे मुकद्दर में यही सिकंदर नसीब हुई. Oh, we're going to talk about that episode. Also talking about this episode. Is Hrithik Roshan going to be a good director? Is Amir Khan right about OTT films and how movies are going to OTT films too soon? All of that coming up on this episode. I'm Andre Shakkar, joined by
Snail Aneja
and
Abbas Bowman.
And welcome to Pop Conversation. That's what you're watching. Let's talk about it, guys.
हम दोनों की मिला के एनर्जी से ज्यादा एनर्जी अकेला अंतरिक्ष में आ रहा
रात
है।
को 12 बजे
अरे तुम लोग बोलते हो हाय हम स्नेहिल अनेजा भाई थोड़ा बहस कर रहे हैं यार क्या कर रहे हैं See, it always starts like this, and I feel like towards the 40-minute mark, no, Snehil's energy boosts up, and then you see me just staying silent.
I'm yawning throughout, so
Yeah,
I'm the
that's
only
true.
one.
Abbas yawning
Yeah,
throughout.
yeah.
Yeah, it's quite.
By the
good.
way, so this is the Sikandar review episode, but full confession, 2 out of the 3 people on this panel have seen the movie.
Oh, Snehil तो नहीं देखी? Shit, dude. What the hell? I was counting on Snehil.
Yeah, I have not
No,
seen
no,
the
Abbas.
movie. I feel, but I still feel like through you guys, I have seen all of it.
And it's not
dude,
great.
Frankly, if there was one movie where I would be
Wish.
upset that you haven't seen it, this is definitely not that. I understand 100% why you didn't watch the movie and why you don't want to watch the movie.
Yes.
Let me just say, the most fun action movie this year has been Badass Ravi Kumar. Right?
I would agree.
Yeah.
I would agree.
Dude, it's Badass Ravi Kumar was such a better film story-wise, plot-wise, even action-wise, dialogues-wise. Every line in Ravi Kumar is a dialogue.
The
Basically,
thing
there's
is,
a memorable dialogue.
I'll tell you why you are feeling this or why you're saying this is because the film was very self-aware.
Exactly.
That's the only difference.
So you think if in the beginning of the Sikandar movie,
अगर वो लिखा
अगर लिखता
होता
होता कि leave a fucking logic at home, then come to the fucking theater. I don't know.
I don't know, man. Like I was, for some reason I was having some
You're hopeful.
hopes with the film.
Bro,
See, I'll tell you
the
why.
trailer, dude. The trailer.
Yeah, I know. Like the teaser that
Teaser was
that dropped,
still okay.
it was
Samurai one.
fine.
No
Uh,
thrones left.
या एग्जैक्टली तो वो वाला मुझे सही लगा था. ट्रेलर से मेरा थोड़ा ऐसा होप डामाडोल हुआ था, बट देन आई वाज स्टिल हैविंग माय होप्स इन सलमान बिकॉज there was a lot of buzz around the fact that Salman is actually putting his all in Sikandar.
By what all?
Maybe this is
Bro,
his all, bro.
Abbas, you haven't seen the movie, okay?
No, I'm not.
By him saying that he thought he putting his all, and how much of a discrepancy it is in the film. You know, like how much of a difference it is of him putting in effort. Basically, the entire movie, Salman says his dialogues with his hand in his pocket. Like how he does every other, award show appearance, fucking Big Boss hosting thing. This guy does one hand in the pocket. I can't put the other hand because I'm putting in more effort in this podcast than Salman does in a movie set.
So मतलब आपके लिए like 100% खराब थी फिल्म.
105%, dude. There was no saving grace. This has all
He
bad
didn't
acting.
enjoy even the ride till
Dude,
the theater.
It's like,
dude,
no,
I kid you not.
105%.
Dude, Rashmika was a better actor in this film than Salman because at least she died.
What the fuck, dude?
I had to see that acting for the rest of the films. At least, motherfucker, dude. Dude, no chemistry at all whatsoever.
Yeah, but it was meant to be no chemistry, no?
What do you mean? You
Yeah,
think it's
it was
meant to be no?
no chemistry.
What is
Why?
meant to be no
Why would
chemistry?
it be?
Arey, so the plot of the film, like
A husband and wife who have no chemistry is the plot.
yeah, their story is the fact that their story is on the lines where Salman really does not give a fuck about who his wife is, right? आपने वो देखा, आपने reasoning देखा है, like how they get married.
क्या था?
So Rashmika
They match on a dating app?
No, so Rashmika basically says, so Rashmika is always very excited to show Salman कि मैंने ये paint किया, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया.
पर वो
And
बिजी
then-
हो जाता है अपनी
और वो
प्रजा के
और वो
साथ.
busy हो जाता है अपनी प्रजा के साथ. And like,
प्रजा.
and then the assistant or the help who is with Rashmika, she's like कि आपको कभी कभी वो नहीं लगता कि किससे शादी कर ले मैंने, ठीक है. एंड देन शी सेज कि ये दुनिया के बेस्ट इंसान है क्योंकि मैं वो तो कभी शादी करना भी नहीं चाहते थे, उन्होंने मुझसे शादी सिर्फ इसलिए करी ताकि वो मुझे बचा सकें या ताकि वो मेरा उद्धार कर सकें.
Oh,
Stuff
अच्छा.
like that.
Okay.
तो आई थिंक
तो मतलब
I like he was not interested in the marriage, I think.
Is
भाई फिर
that
भी सेक्स किया ना, प्रेग्नेंट हो गए ना भाई, हाँ मतलब कुछ केमिस्ट्री दिखा सकते हो भाई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऑल्सो सी in this movie, if that is your explanation, oh, bro, it's a no chemistry marriage, of course, bro. Why would they have chemistry?
I'll tell you.
Usually they cast Rashmika Mandanna ke, who does Salman have least chemistry with? Let's get that actress. That
Also
is
because
not
of the
what-
age difference, right? She's like
Oh,
That they address
they
also, yes.
also that
Right.
is how they address it, right? कि उन लोग उसको शादी करनी नहीं थी, but मैं जानती हूँ आज डिफरेंस है, but उन्होंने इसलिए करी वगैरह. See, again, I am randomly finding points where I can be like, अरे नहीं, this was
this
better.
was
But
not
why,
horrible.
why do you want to die on these hills?
नहीं, I'm not dying on this. See, I there is no defending the film.
Yeah, there is none.
There
dude.
is
What's
none.
your-
There is nothing in the film. But as यार वही है ना कि masala films is also like a genre in itself, and Bollywood is not being able to do that right as well at this point, which is a little hurtful because भाई मतलब अगेन मैंने पहले भी बहुत एपिसोड से बोला है कि वो स्लो मोशन वाले सीन्स और ये और वो देखते हुए बड़े हुए हैं हम लोग. तो वंस इन अ वाइल वैसी फिल्म देखने में भी बहुत मजा आता है, एंड आई वाज होपफुल कि ये वैसी ही फिल्म होगी.
Yeah, exactly.
They have like 2.5 hours of slow motion, no
Dude,
doubt about it.
see,
But then again, उसका कुछ सेंस तो बनना चाहिए ना यार.
in Salman's own filmography, there are better films in this genre.
Oh
yeah,
Yeah, like from Wanted till
Exactly.
like
So it's not like
Wanted,
Dabangg
Dabangg.
3.
yeah, sure, exactly.
Even Bajrangi Bhaijaan to some
Bajrangi
extent.
Bhaijaan was
Yeah.
it's his best film in his
but I
filmography.
wouldn't call that a masala film.
Why not? It's full of masala, bro.
I mean, it's more okay. Yeah, it's not an action masala film. It's more like a drama masala. There's no
There,
action.
there
per
is
se.
enough action in
There's
it.
hardly any
भाई
action.
एक सीन है एक्शन का
Yeah.
उसमें सिर्फ एक.
When he gets
Literally
angry
एक.
at the people who are kidnapping the little
Yeah,
girl. and he
the
gets-
girl. That's
that's
pretty
it.
much it. That's just one action
Yeah,
sequence in the
that's
entire
How
film.
many action sequences need to be there in order to
Like
qualify?
more than one. I would
Minimum,
say.
minimum
At
of
the least.
17.
This
You
movie-
must have
this-
loved Sikandar.
this movie has 35, but none of them are good. Dude, I had so many problems with the
Yeah,
film.
even I had a lot of
But
problems. yes.
before we get into all of that, okay, so we'll do most of this episode is going to be dedicated to the extended review of
Of
this, where
Sikandar,
Abbas,
yeah.
I'm told, has a fun thing he wants to
Yeah, I have
play
a,
during that.
like a bingo card of things. Did this happen in the
Oh,
movie?
sick.
Yeah.
But I
yeah.
can already tell you what
Predict
your
what it
bingo
is?
card also would
Yeah,
be.
yeah,
But take
it's-
it. Let's see. Let's go with that. That'll be interesting. But before that, let's finish our other two topics.
हाँ,
because
two
I
little
think
topics.
They will require slightly not as much elongated discussion.
Yeah.
First thing is Hrithik Roshan, your favorite actor
Yes,
and dancer,
is turning director.
is turning director for Krish 4.
Yeah.
They're back to normal numbering now.
Thankfully, yes.
Yeah,
It's not Krish
Krish
6
Krish
or
6.
5.
The fourth movie is the
Mm.
fourth movie.
Chris
Yeah.
17.
Huh.
But
But yeah, Krish 4.
what are your thoughts on Krish turning director for Krish?
So, full disclosure, like I put the article on a group chat, and surprisingly, both of you were like, "I have mixed feelings about this. I'm scared about this." Bro, I think Hrithik Roshan will be a great director. Okay, he's grown up on his father's sets. He's seen his father direct all his life. He's starred in his father's movie. He's worked with other really good directors, right?
Sure.
And I think even in his interviews and stuff, when I see him, I can see that unlike some heroes where they just want to talk about themselves and they talk about everything but the movie. Case in point, check out the Amir Salman and Murgados round table about
bro,
Sikandar,
that also.
where they talk about everything but the movie because I don't even think that Salman has watched the movie
Yeah,
after it
correct.
finished.
Yeah.
So, but if you listen to Hrithik's interviews, he has a sense of what worked in the story, what didn't work in the stories. So from that lens, and also because Krish is like one of the few proper franchises that we have in Bollywood, I think he's going to be great. And I think
So my problem. So again, I would say you're right. All your points are
Yeah.
exactly
Yeah.
right. My problem is not that he's directing. That he's directing something in this franchise.
हाँ, पता है मेरा
Why?
भी so मुझे पता है क्या like so anyway Krish 3 was not like a
Good
banger
film.
Yeah.
good
Yeah,
film,
Like
right?
it was, in
it
fact,
was
a
not a
bad
good
film.
film.
Yeah.
हाँ.
हाँ, again उस पे I think
I think
पता नहीं-
Kangana was the problem.
I think जब मूवी आई थी मैं तब मैं किसी से तब पॉडकास्ट पे तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं था मैं तब मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था एंड आई थिंक सो मूवी का, क्योंकि हमारा एक एक्सपोज्ड ऑडियंस है टू एक्समेन, टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ म्यूटेंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, तो हमें वो और गिमिकी और कैरिकेचरिश लगी थी,
हाँ।
राइट? बट टू द पीपल who don't know about the mutant
Right.
world, who don't know about X world, they were still fine with the film. Not going into the technicalities and everything and the story and etc etc. But हम मतलब हमारी जनरेशन और उन लोगों को जिनको एक्सपोजर है उन्होंने डिसमिस ही कर दिया था फिल्म को, बिकॉज वो एक चीप रिप ऑफ
हाँ,
ऑफ सॉर्ट्स लग रहा था.
हाँ.
तो एक तो ये इस चीज से ओवरकम करना आई थिंक इज अ चैलेंज. दूसरा चैलेंज जो मुझे
Wait,
लग रहा है
when did Chris 3 come out? 2011?
by 13 आई गेस.
13, so 12 years.
हाँ,
By
तो
the
अब
time this film comes out,
15
it'll
से
be-
16
हाँ,
साल हो
correct.
चुके होंगे.
हाँ.
तो उस चीज को वापस से रिवाइव करना,
Bro, but there's so much nostalgia for Krish. I'm
but
sure.
that's what ना, that
हाँ.
is that वो मुझे लगता है कि will turn against Hrithik. That there is so much nostalgia, there is so much expectation. Krish 4 is one of the most talked about films
Sure.
when it comes to a sequel,
Oh.
right? Krish 4, again, Krish is, if not the most, one of the most loved superheroes of.
Bro, but this happened with Star Wars in Hollywood, right? When the new Star Wars films came, the people who were kids when the original came out had grown up. So then they went to see the films because they wanted to relive the magic. They
They
took
hated
their
it.
children with them to watch the movie.
The kids liked it.
Now, when the fourth Krish comes out, that's exactly what's gonna happen. People your age, maybe you will also get married and have a child by then. Debatable, but maybe Antariksh will have a child by then, or whoever.
No,
So,
no.
Okay. But your generation, our generation, जो भी बोल लो, वो kids back then are now old enough to be married and have their own kids.
भाई,
They'll go with their
बात
kids.
ऑडियंस की नहीं है,
हाँ.
ऑडियंस आ जाएगा,
हाँ.
बट वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस से लिव अप हो पाएगा कि नहीं.
What
बात
is your
उसकी है.
expectation from Krish 4? Your personal
That
expectation.
it is not सिकंदर में भी, I guess.
That's not a very high bar.
भाई नहीं, what I'm see, भाई क्रिश 3 भी नहीं हो सकती क्रिश 4.
So far there have been two Krish movies, one Koi Mil Gaya, right?
Yeah.
Out of that, only one is a stinker. Koi Mil Gaya
Yeah.
and Krish are good films.
Yeah, but the thing is, like,
And Krish 3,
as usually
हाँ.
how it works is as sequels keep going down in number, up in number, like
Right.
more and more series
They
being made.
keep going down in quality.
Exactly.
I
That's
remember
the
when-
usual thing, at least.
when-
That's the problem where I'm having. Yeah.
when Krish 3 came out, I remember one of the points was also that maybe Rakesh Roshan is too old for this. He's lost his touch. He
Yeah.
should get a new director. Now we're getting the guy who's played this role, who knows this role better than him. Also, it's produced by Yash Raj.
the backing.
backing. So budgetary constraints are not going to be.
That's again one of my issues. मुझे लगता है 700, 750, 800 करोड़ के बजट इन्होंने सैंक्शन ही कर दिए हैं.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
700 करोड़ का बजट सैंक्शन हुआ है.
Bro,
हाँ,
कौन नहीं कर
मतलब
रहा है भाई?
सैंक्शन एज इन लाइक एस्टिमेटेड जो बजट एक्सपेक्टेशन है, that is 700 crores.
Motherfucker, that's too much.
that
dude.
might be like the most expensive Indian movie ever made.
No.
No?
I think
So Siddharth Anand apparently, so
कल की
again,
कितने में थी? कल की कितने में थी? ऐसे कुछ था.
I don't know.
Okay.
But now the thing is कि मुझे नहीं पता इस आर्टिकल में कितनी सच्चाई है, इस न्यूज में कितनी
हाँ.
सच्चाई है. But apparently Siddharth Anand quit the project because of budget constraints.
Oh, okay.
Like budget constraints as in कि
उसको जितना चाहिए
उसको
था.
जितना चाहिए
Hmm.
उतना नहीं मिल रहा है. And I think the estimated figure was 700 crores.
Okay.
अब I don't know कितना सच है इसमें कितना नहीं है, because apparently the script deals with time travel.
Okay.
And ठीक है, the script deals with time travel and they've actually onboarded Preeti Zinta and they're planning Nora Fateh
Okay.
to play 3 different timelines, present, past, future, कुछ ऐसे करके.
multiverse.
तो they actually want to go to the कोई मिल गया वाला
Correct.
era.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा वो there, Nora Fateh will be there in that one. और प्रियंका
So they might need to de-age Preeti Zinta or something of that.
तो मतलब
sort.
again,
no.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they could. Yeah,
they
maybe,
could
yeah.
like, so again,
Yeah.
a lot of things,
Hmm.
a lot of
Rekha, they
things.
could get Rekha back as a mother.
तो
They won't need to de-age because Rekha never ages.
Nice.
so again मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि again
Hot Rekha, sorry.
concept
Call back from last episode. Don't kill a bus. Kill a bus in that episode if you want to.
कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, थॉट वाइज बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, एज अ नॉस्टैल्जिया फैक्टर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. बट देन एक वो डर है कि क्रिश की लेगेसी खराब ना हो जाए.
But
Wait,
it's
wait,
already, the last movie was a stinker, so it's already down, the legacy. This is a chance
तो
to
और मत
bring...
खराब करो.
नहीं तो see that's what we are hopeful.
हाँ, कि
We are
सब ठीक
looking
हो-
forward to it. We
हम
will
सब
watch it.
hopeful हैं. हम बस थोड़े डरे हुए हैं.
Yeah, exactly. Wait, same.
I think it's going to be...
Also, it also
Great.
depends on the last movie you saw, I think. I don't have any expectations.
You
of
guys
what
hadn't
you
watched
put
Sikandar till I like when I sent you the text, but I get it.
out. Let's get to Amir Khan. Basically, firstly, just launched his own YouTube channel also.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Amir
yeah.
Khan Talkies, is that the
Talkies.
one?
To-
हाँ, कुछ ऐसा ही
yeah,
नाम है.
something like that.
And
Dropped the audition tape of him playing
Himself,
Ravi,
yeah.
Ravi
Ravi Kishan's
Kishan's
role.
का character. Yeah.
Yeah.
oh, in Lapata Lady,
In
did you do
Lapata
that?
Lady,
Oh,
yeah.
that's
his
cool.
audition tape.
It's actually a good YouTube channel. I'm surprised so
Yeah.
far it's not got like it has फटा नहीं है अभी तक YouTube पे.
नहीं, but that's because they are.
हमारा भी तो नहीं फटा है
Yeah.
हाँ हम और आमिर एक ही लेवल पे
मतलब आपने अच्छे कंटेंट की बात
No,
करी
because
है.
also right now they are putting up old content that they already have.
No, but they are
has
also
been.
doing roundtables. Like there's one with Veer Das, Akshat Verma, and the director of Delhi Belly, and they're talking about Delhi Belly. So he's making new content.
Oh, are they? This
yeah,
I have not
yeah,
seen, no?
yeah.
I saw Veer Das on the channel, but he
he's
was
host-
talking about something else.
he's
but I saw a
hosting,
small clip of it. Maybe, yeah.
He's hosting a video, and he's one
Sick.
has one roundtable with I think Imran and Abbas Taiwal also for
Oh,
Jaane Tu.
Oh, fine.
It's legitimately which is something जो इंडिया में बहुत नहीं होता है, एटलीस्ट हिंदी सिनेमा में बहुत नहीं होता है, where people like us were doing that and now Amir himself is like मैं ही करवा देता हूँ
हम
ये.
कहाँ जाएं यार?
हम कहाँ जाए वही तो.
भाई,
आमिर,
हम बना
if
ले
you're
पिक्चर.
watching, if you're
आमिर भाई,
watching, please
या तो हमें पिक्चर में ले लो,
hire us.
या तो फिर
That's right.
इस YouTube की नौकरी दे दो.
हाँ, या तो
हाँ.
YouTube की नौकरी दे दो
Like-
आमिर भाई.
क्या ही होएगा, पिक्चर नहीं कमाएगी, वैसे भी नहीं कमा रही पिक्चर है.
वैसे भी कोई
ठीक है.
पिक्चर नहीं कमा
तू
रही.
चुप रहे,
That's
हमको
right.
हमको चाहिए ना.
That's right.
मुझे अंतरिक्ष के पास जब माइक जाता है और हम किसी भी रिव्यू की बात करते हैं ना, मैं ऐसा फटी में रहता हूँ ना कि ये मतलब ये स्टार्ट ही कुछ ऐसा कर देगा कि मुझे या तो एपिसोड कैंसिल करना पड़ जाएगा.
By the
Yeah.
way, I should say, I was talking to a college friend of mine a couple of days ago. He lives in Canada now, okay? So he watches our stuff, but he's not very regularly, okay?
Okay.
So he was talking about, like, I was watching one of your podcasts. I was like, yeah, which one? He's like, the one you do with that dude. I was like, which dude? He's like, are that filmy guy? And I was like, so he referred to you as filmy
That filmy guy,
yeah?
yes.
बस
I'm that filmy guy. I
Yeah.
don't mind that
Nice.
at all. That's pretty good.
Nice.
That
But
should be my
Snehal, he
Insta
didn't,
handle.
he didn't mention you at all. I'm
it's
sorry.
fine यार. It's okay.
It's all right, it's all good. Let's get to then.
Yeah, what was the topic? I mean,
yeah, so-
why did we bring
So
Amir?
why Amir was brought up is because Amir, as part of this launch, and also he did the Amir Khan
The
movie fest.
Birthday celebration.
He, as part of that, he did a long talk with Javed Akhtar, like a podcast of sorts, and you know the amateur podcasters.
yeah. Trying to copy us.
Yeah, whatever. Yes, always copying us, our trends. We are the trendsetters. All right, but in that they talked. Javed Akhtar asked a very legit question that everyone was asking anyway, as to why films and Bollywood especially are not working.
This is not, he said.
तो आमिर साहब क्या लगता है आपको कि आजकल की फिल्में क्यों नहीं चल रही?
Then what did Amir reply?
वैसे तो पता नहीं.
We are closing so many doors on our
careers right now.
Like,
पर सफेद
We
साहब
just said
हमारा
let us
जो
act in Amir
हमारा
Khan.
हमारा बिजनेस मॉडल ही खराब है.
वैसे तो हमारा बिजनेस मॉडल है.
and then he legit picks up like a register. He's like, देखिए अब जावेद साहब, मैं कह रहा हूँ,
Really?
yeah. He's like, so जावेद साहब, उत्तरी मेरा ये प्रोडक्ट है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप ये आके देख लो, लेकिन अगर आप नहीं देखोगे तो मैं 8 हफ्ते में आपके घर छोड़ जाऊँ.
आपके खुद आके आपके घर छोड़
खुद आके आपके घर. ये किस तरीके का बिजनेस मॉडल है जावेद साहब, बताइए. मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता.
It's called door-to-door sales. Amir has never heard of door-to-door
Amazon.
sales.
But yeah, so basically Amir Khan says कि the 8-week release period on OTT is
Yeah.
killing the
Is
business.
too little for people
yeah,
to come.
is
to
killing
Which
theaters.
I do understand.
Even I.
There is
Like,
definitely
agree
an
with
part
argument
of it.
there.
Like
for
a
sure.
part of it.
What part do you not agree with?
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि this is not the sole reason.
Sure. Yeah.
I don't agree for this being the entire reason.
But it's a big reason.
But it is a reason.
It
I won't
definitely.
say a big reason.
I would say also it stretches towards being a big reason. Why? Is because it depends on the movie. Okay, if a movie is not at that scale, okay, and you know, like, see, there are certain movies जो हम पहले कुछ भी हो जाए हम मूवी जाके थिएटर में देखनी पड़ती थी. हाँ, अब क्या हो गया कि अगर पता ही है 8 हफ्ते में पिक्चर आने वाली है, से अक्षय कुमार मूवी, which is a decent Akshay Kumar movie, but on a normal, normally I would have gone to watch it in the theater, but now I will wait and watch in the thing. So on OTT, so because of that, I think
एक बात बताओ, like
backlash.
is OTT. So I feel I see it in a way, and मुझे उस conversation से मेरा take away भी ये था कि इज बेसिकली, या क्या सिचुएशन ऐसा बनता जा रहा है कि एवरेज फिल्म का बिजनेस कम हो रहा है और बॉलीवुड एवरेज फिल्म्स ही बना रहा था एंड पीपल आर नॉट विलिंग टू स्पेंड money on average films and now they are like कि OTT पे देख ही लेंगे, because I think if good films are being made, people are going to watch in theaters.
It's not just the quality of the film, it's a lot of things like, और ये comparison बहुत बार दूसरे लोग भी बना चुके हैं. If I have to go watch a film with 3 friends of mine,
The money
and,
part.
and the ticket costs
Yeah, yeah.
400 rupees.
I
And like
get it.
You are spending 1600 just on the tickets, plus you
I
have 400 rupees for
totally
the
agree.
popcorn and whatever you buy a
I
Coke or whatever,
completely
right?
agree.
So then I'm like, ki, what's the worst if I don't go
Yeah.
for a month or so? The film's gonna come on OTT.
But
right?
that's what I'm saying. That OTT wala factor is a part of the bigger problem.
You're right.
The average film, I get your point. But you give films more chance by going to the theater, even if it's
That's
a
also
movie
there, yeah.
that's not got great reviews or is not a blockbuster. You knew कि अगर तुम नहीं देखने जाओगे तो 6 महीने 8 महीने शायद तुमको नहीं देखने मिलेगी, क्योंकि पता
Sure.
नहीं कब टीवी पे आएगी, पता नहीं कब वीडियो पे आएगी. So you took a chance. You went to the theater as an evening out with your friends because the tickets were little more affordable and all
Also,
that.
भाई
in
देखा
general-
जाए तो पहले भी DVDs वगैरह they used to come in like a month and a half,
No, no,
2
no.
महीने. क्या
No,
बात कर
no,
रहे हो
no.
भाई?
The big movies, no. The big movies at
मतलब
least there
ठीक
was
है,
like a 3 to 4
Yeah,
month
ब्लूरे
gap.
ब्लूरे नहीं
Yeah.
आता था, but
नहीं,
HD DVD
bro.
आ जाती थी
Bro,
भाई.
मैं सबसे बुड्ढा हूँ यहाँ पे, मुझे याद है.
नहीं मतलब मैं ऐसा
The
नहीं,
big-
मेरे टाइम पे भी DVDs थी.
If a film did not, if a film flopped really badly and did not do any business at all, then the DVD used to be out in like whatever month, 90 days. But a good film, an Amir level movie or a movie starring someone like
At
Amir
least 3
Khan,
to 4 months. Right?
at least 3 to 4 months, and then
Yeah.
5 to 6 months on TV.
And
After 5
Amir
to 6
actually,
months.
now that I'm remembering it, Amir has always talked about extending the
हाँ, he
the
has.
the OVCD release
And it's
from
not
the movie
only
release.
him,
All
a
that.
lot of Bollywood people, Akshay Kumar has famously talked about it.
Right,
A lot of
right.
people have talked about
And
it.
considering he makes 7 a year.
Yeah, 7
Yeah.
of year.
We've also
तो
another thing
जब
you have to
तक
consider.
उसकी एक फिल्म
Yeah.
OTT पे आती है, दूसरी हॉल पे लगी हुई होती है.
Yeah.
And as we speak, 2 हफ्ते बाद उसकी एक और फिल्म आने वाली है. And उसकी 2 महीने बाद उसकी एक और फिल्म lined up है.
Coming back to the point of view of your average
That's-
film
yeah.
thing, the problem is that 90% of films are going to be average.
But that's
So
what
does that mean all 90% of the films should just be watched on OTT?
No, I'm
Maybe
not
not,
saying
yeah.
that. I'm saying कि बार increase किया जाए and then average. भाई ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना कि सारी फिल्म्स एवरेज ही बन रही हैं. अगर आपको डर है कि एवरेज फिल्म्स कोई देखने नहीं जाएगा तो बेहतर फिल्म्स बनाओ.
Bro, average film is a very,
But
it's a very
वही
subjective
also
thing.
exactly.
ना.
Obviously
कोई
subjective.
बनाने
हम लोग
थोड़ा
अभी
जाता है average
generalize
film.
ही कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
The conversation is not about a particular film. We are having a general conversation.
नहीं पर
तो-
वो पर कोई जाके थोड़ा बना थोड़ा रहा कि मेरे को एवरेज फिल्म ही बनानी है. वो अपने हिसाब से तो बेस्ट फिल्म बना रहा है अपनी.
तो अब वही
मतलब
हो रहा है
unless
ना,
you make
sorry.
a second, of course. Yeah.
Did I hurt you? Sorry.
यार, it pains here Abbas.
But I was saying that's what's happening, right? Either the films are like super duper high budget films,
Which
where
are
you're
bad.
like you have to watch it
yeah,
you
even
have to
they-
watch it in the opening
Even
weekend.
they are not making sense to me at this point.
But the sense, like Sikandar, for example, it's a big festival release. So the sense is that if you're celebrating Eid, you have to go watch a Salman Khan movie.
Yeah.
Or on Diwali, if a Shah Rukh film releases, like you have to watch it, right? So it's either that or it's the smaller budget films which are directly going to OTT. They're not even getting a theatrical release. So what you're talking about is the mid-budget average film, whatever you want to call it, जिसमें बड़े-बड़े स्टार ना हो, बहुत बड़ा ये नहीं, उसको तो चांस ही नहीं मिल रहा है ना. वो तो लोग वैसे भी नहीं देख. And another thing is like so many, the theater etiquette has gotten so bad.
theater
I'm like कि भाई फोन पे बात करेगा कोई बंदा मेरे पीछे बैठ के, बच्चे रोएंगे,
भाई
ये होएगा.
मैं अभी L2 देखने गया था.
हाँ.
L2 में एक बंदा लिटरली पीछे बैठ के खर्राटे मार रहा था भाई. वो लिटरली खर्राटे मार रहा था पीछे बैठ के.
मतलब
That's
that's
L2
rare.
and
in
L2 is
etiquette
not a
wise.
bad
not
film.
at least not a slow film that
हाँ,
you'll
it's
fall
not a
asleep.
slow film.
हाँ.
मतलब हाँ, लोग कह रहे हैं कि वो मलयालम सिनेमा का KGF है एक तरीके से.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And again bro, so L2 में apparently the budget is around 180 crores,
Right.
which is very very big when it comes to Malayalam cinema,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
भाई 10 times better VFX than all of the films that I've watched recently.
Right.
In
Hindi
Bollywood,
films.
you
In
mean?
Bollywood, yes.
Okay.
भाई उसमें पता ही नहीं लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे VFX यूज किया है.
But they use
Obviously
clearly.
उसमें एक बंदा फाड़ देते हैं वो.
Oh really?
Obviously उन्होंने
और-
VFX तो यूज किया ही है. असली में
And-
तो नहीं फाड़ दिया.
And then the censor came and like, we're going to use the biggest VFX. 'cause-
which is
So yeah.
Scissors.
No, but the point I was making is I know that I won't have to deal with ringing phones and crying babies. If the movie is gonna come on OTT in a month, I can watch it आराम से in the comfort of
So
my
that's
house.
what I'm saying.
Hmm.
OTT पे रिलीज होना is not the biggest problem that Bollywood is facing right now, according to me.
Sure.
I think there are so many other factors when it comes to theater collection.
What do you think is the biggest reason?
A, quality of films has gone down the drains. There is भाई मैं addict maniac घटिया किस्म का
हर
आदमी हूँ
पिक्चर
जो हर
देखता है
पिक्चर
तो
देखने जाता हूँ.
हाँ,
बट जैसे आप हो नहीं जाते हैं
हाँ,
पिक्चर देखने,
हाँ.
अंतरिक्ष नहीं जाता पिक्चर
हम्म.
देखने. देर आर सो मेनी पीपल दैट डोंट, वही ना, आई एम दैट ऑडियंस जो कहीं पे भी 200 250 400 रुपए दे देगा.
हाँ,
ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे थिएटर से एडिक्शन.
correct.
नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर डूइंग दैट.
Hmm.
ए, तुम्हारा फिल्म शिट है इसलिए लोग देखने नहीं जा रहे. बी, tickets are so damn expensive.
Yeah.
वो तो
Theater
है ही.
going is crazy expensive. 2 लोग पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं, 2 से 2,500 रुपए खर्च होता ही है.
Yes.
Dude, L2 देखने गया 150 रुपए का टिकट.
Hmm.
ठीक है. सिकंदर देखने गया 480 रुपए का टिकट.
Whoa.
And this is not even like the recliner. And shit.
Correct. Yeah. The normal
Recliner
ones.
was I think
1,000.
620
Oh.
something,
Okay.
which is crazy.
Yeah, same.
And this is like a random hall. अगर ये मैं IMAX देखने गया तो 1000 टच कर रहा है.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why will anyone? And I think अब जैसे I think कर्नाटका में उन्होंने 200 रुपीस कैप
Cap
किया है,
कर
right?
दिया हाँ.
There has to be an intervention, dude.
Amir has a point, but that's not the
But that's not
major
the whole point.
Yeah, correct.
Like
But that's
there are
definitely that's see, if there are multiple big factors, this is one of the big factors. But there must
Also,
be definitely must be multiple.
One of
for
the
sure.
things he said that is because this happened with Lapata Ladies. When it was in theaters, it didn't do well. Once it came on Netflix, everybody was tweeting about it. I'm like, we should have watched this in theaters. And I'm like,
but
fuck
then
off,
it
when-
re-released in theaters.
Yeah, but then that's like
Rare
a
thing, yeah, very rare.
chance that you take.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
It won't happen
but
with every
Lapata-
movie.
Again, Lapata Ladies, भाई Lapata Ladies was also a film जिसकी मार्केटिंग नहीं करी गई, जिसका PR नहीं किया गया उतना, जिसको उतना वो नहीं.
Because
Again,
उतना budget नहीं था उस film
that's
का.
what
हाँ.
ना भाई. फिर OTT ने आपको, so OTT has also advantages
Yeah,
also,
yeah,
right?
big time.
OTT आपकी फिल्म को वो रीच भी दे रहा है जो OTT के ना होने पे लापता लेडीज को नहीं मिलती.
Bro, Breaking Bad as a show got traction because
Because of
people
OTT, yeah.
saw it on Netflix in season 3. Like, yeah.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying कि you can't, आप अपनी कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से तुम OTT को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते हो. I think OTT ने बहुत फायदे भी करे. A lot of films that theaters won't pick, people are being able to watch because of OTTs.
That's true. Yeah.
So you cannot just be like कि ओ OTT आ गया तो हमारी पिक्चर नहीं देख रहा कोई. भाई तू अच्छी बनाएगा अपन देखेंगे जाके.
Snehal is on Netflix's payroll, so that's why
It's
his.
not only about Netflix. I think it's about all. It is true for all OTTs, dude.
But I think Amir was mentioning in a previous interview that he's gonna extend for his films that he produces.
हाँ.
He's gonna extend the time
OTT,
window
yeah.
between film.
नहीं,
showing.
again, I'm not saying कि he's completely wrong, but I'm saying there are two sides of the coin, and there are so many other things, and a lot of actors, as I said, have been saying this कि भाई OTT का चक्कर
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
OTT का चक्कर है.
I don't know.
And
हाँ.
then Javed साहब also cross questions him.
Yeah.
He's like कि but यही चक्कर साउथ की फिल्म्स का भी तो है.
हाँ.
वो क्यों चल रही हैं? अब L2 I think the collection is
It's crossed 100 crores.
200
100
crores.
crores.
I'm referring to L2 because that's the recent South
Yeah,
film that has come and that I've watched.
The release on the same day as Sikandar, what? Or
I
that
think
2
was-
days
so.
earlier.
हाँ.
Okay,
Friday को वो
fine.
release हुई है and
Sunday
Sunday
को
Also,
को
another
release
dumb thing Sikandar, okay, we'll come to all of these things, dude. Why release on Sunday and not use
Eid
the
है ना
Friday?
भाई,
But
Eid-
use the
Eid ही.
Friday. You have a long weekend. Why not
No,
use it?
because the idea was it releases on Friday, Eid was on Monday, so it already gets a bad word of mouth for 4 days till it comes.
Yeah,
वो अच्छा है ऐसा भी है.
That-
I mean, it was a
That
risk,
makes sense now.
and I think
because it's
someone
this
in
bad.
the studio heads knew that it would get bad reviews by the time it comes up to
I'm
Monday.
sure they know. I'm
Yeah.
sure that they know.
And also, they want to either open it a day before or on the day of Eid, so they went with Sunday. But yeah, that's a weird decision.
fair enough.
हाँ, so जो जावेद साहब से वो पूछते भी हैं कि जावेद साहब कहते हैं कि फिर साउथ की फिल्म्स कैसे चल रही हैं?
उसका जो जवाब उसने दिया, that I don't agree with. That he said
Because
that
उनमें मसाला है.
South is making single screen theaters.
हाँ, मसाला है उसमें.
masala
Yeah,
films,
there's
and
no
we
good-
are making multiplex
Amir
films.
also didn't have a good answer.
Yeah.
Because I think nobody has a good
Because
answer.
nobody
right
has
now,
a good
really.
answer.
Yeah.
There's this very good. I don't know if you've seen this Hot Ones pe Matt Damon when he came.
Okay.
He's talking about how in the 90s a movie would open, get its collection, go out of the theaters. Then when it was released on video, it was like the movie opened again.
Correct.
Because
they would
that's
count
the
those saves
number of
also, yeah.
video cassettes and DVDs and rental libraries were buying the movie, that they ended up earning a profit anyhow
Yeah.
because of home video. But now home video is completely gone
But then that's the
because
thing.
of OTT.
Most movies they make a profit because of OTT. And that's what
Yeah,
become nowadays. No?
बिकॉज आपको डिजिटल राइट्स देने हैं,
Hmm.
आपको उसके बाद अब अभी करण जौहर का मैं एक इंटरव्यू देख रहा था वेयर ही वाज लाइक कि मैं अपना बजट एलोकेट ही ऐसे करता हूँ कि मतलब
By
मुझे
the time the film comes
कि
to the
बाय द
theater,
टाइम द फिल्म कम्स टू द
whatever
थिएटर
it
मैं
earns-
कवर कर चुका हूँ
correct, yeah.
एंड उसके बाद जो आया वो मेरा प्रॉफिट है.
Someone was telling me this is what happened with Badass Ravi Kumar also, that the by the time the film came to the theaters, it was already profitable. So
That's
it
awesome.
just
That makes
It's
sense.
awesome. भाई
Yeah.
उसने
Yeah.
अपना कॉन्सर्ट अनाउंस कर दिया.
हाँ हाँ I know,
उसने
yeah, yeah.
सारे गामा के साथ वो अपना टूर करने वाला है.
Oh.
हिमेश रेशमिया ने तो भाई होम
हाँ,
रन
yeah,
मारा है भाई,
yeah, बिल्कुल
होम
home
रन
run
मारा
मारा
है उसने.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
He knew
yeah. बिल्कुल.
50 days in theater.
कुछ तो next level क्या उसमें. Okay, then okay, enough of there's no one answer. I
There's
think
no
this is-
one
this is
answer.
an ongoing
Obviously,
discussion.
all discussion.
And let us know what you think why movies are not working like they should be, like, or as they did early 2000s,
Yes, yeah.
what have you. Let's get to the meat of this episode. We already had a lot of meat. Let's get to the
Dessert,
meteor,
meteor,
whatever, dessert also. is fine.
whatever.
Let's get to the meaty dessert of this
इतना तो
episode.
सिकंदर ने नहीं सोचा भाई पिक्चर
Correct,
बनाने
भाई.
से पहले.
Correct, bhai. Correct. Dude, so just before this, Abbas and I were watching his
Yeah,
audience reaction.
हाँ
So people coming out of the theater and giving the reaction as to what they thought Sikandar was. Okay? And one guy goes, मेरी फराज समझी के लिए respect बढ़ गया. Which is so
यार
funny.
but Gotem, I genuinely want to know, like this is something that I would want to ask Salman actually कि
Do you think you've done a good job?
नहीं, like the thing is कि जब तुमने फिल्म करके देखी होगी तुम्हें पता लग like spending like 20-30 years in the industry तुम्हें पता लग गया होगा ना कि
That's
तुमने
the thing. I don't
like,
think he watches his movies. He just gets done
He's
with them.
literally sleepwalking through it right now.
Bro, I've heard a very funny comment.
Yeah.
किसी ने YouTube पे comment किया था कि Salman nowadays acts as if he's on notice period.
Holy shit.
So guys, yeah, what happens in Sikandar? Tell me. All
Okay,
the good and the
I'll
bad.
go
what
to the plot.
happens in Sikandar stays in Sikandar.
Yeah, and no, because nobody watches it, so season theater only. बाद
Okay.
में खत्म होती है.
Question: Did you go into the theater lowering your expect? I know you wanted it to be good,
Yeah, but yeah, I had zero expectation.
and still you were
Like I had zero expectation. Like I wanted it to be good.
yeah.
I was hoping for it to be good,
Hmm.
but like I somewhere I knew कि क्योंकि मैंने सुबह थोड़े रिव्यूज देख लिए थे, पता कर लिया था. एंड वन ऑफ द रिव्यूज बोले कि अगर आपको लॉजिक चाहिए तो ये पिक्चर मत देखो. मैंने कहा अबे यार फक, फिर से हर पिक्चर का रिव्यू ऐसे कैसे स्टार्ट हो
ऐसे, हाँ,
सकता है
correct.
कि आपको
correct.
लॉजिक चाहिए तो आप इस पिक्चर
Leave
को
your
मत
brain
देखो.
at home.
हाँ, हर
that
मन
shit.
नहीं. बैड
Yes.
रवि कुमार जस्टिफाइड है, ये जस्टिफाइड नहीं है.
You, Antariksh.
Man, I had already had bad expectations. I knew it was going to be a bad film
Yeah.
because trailer से पता चल जाता है for the most part that it's going to be a bad film. And then if the movie surprises you, then you're very happy.
Correct.
Like if the movie was above average, I would be so happy right now.
Yeah.
But this movie is terribly bad, not even just average.
Yeah.
So this movie should come on OTT tomorrow because it's so bad. By just his argument, by Amir Khan's argument, basically. Okay, so basically, coming to the plot of the film, just quickly, let's run through the plot so we can talk
how,
about.
how
everything.
will you like squeeze the
Can I
plot
say what
in
I
this?
know? I have not seen the film, and this is what I
Oh,
know.
okay, great, yeah.
So Salman Khan plays a king, a
Yeah.
prince
Yeah,
of
Raja
sorts.
Saab.
Yeah, of his Praja, and he's married to
But where is he a prince of? Rajkot.
Rajkot. Okay, I
Rajkot
didn't know
ka
that.
Raja.
Some random
Yes.
Rajasthani village.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So he's married to.
राजकोट
I mean,
राजस्थान
yeah,
में.
I mean, Raj in the name. Rajasthan, Rajkot.
Rajkot कहाँ पे है?
whatever.
अबे गुजरात में.
Oh, अच्छा.
Yeah, he
Sorry.
speaks Gujarati in the movie. That's
Yeah.
the other.
Yeah, correct. Gujarati
That's the
is-
other thing I read.
Yes.
And he's married to Rashmika. And then we already mentioned it, but Rashmika dies. And she's an organ donor.
Yeah.
So she has given her organs to different people.
Correct.
And Salman goes seeking for these people.
Yep.
And for some reasons, there are some goons who want to stop him
Yep.
from reaching these
Sure,
people.
sure. I'll
That's
explain that.
all I know.
Correct.
from
Like
the
that's
Yeah, most-
99.9%
Yes.
of the plot. Yeah.
Exactly
Okay.
right. But if someone wants a little more flavor in there, basically yes, you're right. He is the king of Rajkot. He loves his Praja. Praja loves him. Okay, they will. If cops ever come to investigate, stop Salman Khan's character, the Praja will assemble outside Salman Khan's house,
So
stopping the cop from doing any kind of action
Right,
against him whatsoever.
right.
But Salman is really looks to be seems to be a good, actually good guy who cares about his brother. Okay, wife Rashmika Mandana. Okay, no chemistry he has. They have sex once and that's it because baby ho gaya because no chemistry after that. Okay, and whatever happens. Okay,
How do you know it was
movie
just
starts-
once?
yeah, the
anyway,
movie starts
it's
with
like-
the, Salman Khan.
There's a very funny dialogue in the film.
Yeah,
Once so when she sees that she is pregnant and Salman is sleeping, she rushes to Salman and then she's like, "Utho, utho, utho." And then she's like, "क्या हो गया? क्या कर दिया?" And then she's like, "सब कुछ करके पूछ रहे हो क्या कर दिया?"
Yeah, she's telling him she's pregnant.
And this is how she starts.
So stupid.
Lovely.
Kuch karke.
Yeah.
The movie starts with. I'm still telling you the plot.
Yeah,
The movie
yeah.
starts with Salman through one way or the other in a flight, gets in a fight with Pratik Babbar's character, which is, by the way, Pratik Babbar's most hammy performance I've ever seen. Just terrible acting, like all around the board, terrible acting everywhere. Okay, he basically thrashes Pratik Babbar and some of his goons. Pratik Babbar's goons were on the flight. Okay, I don't get the reason why, but anyway, they do. Okay, this air hostess makes a video of this, makes it viral. Turns out Pratik Babbar is the son of a minister.
Okay.
Okay, minister like मेरे बेटे को ऐसा कैसे?
हाँ.
Okay, so now he's like Raja साहब की माँ की. Okay, उसको जाके पकड़ो. Okay, so now, so that's the basic thing. So then they first send goons to fucking Rajkot from Mumbai.
Goons नहीं, police.
Oh, police and goons. Goons also.
Goons also. Yeah.
To Rajkot to mess him up or take care of there. But Salman being Salman fucking badass, वो तो आराम से goons को मार देता है. But Rashmika had to at that moment go to Salman to make sure he's okay or not because you know whatever what something happens. Okay, and over there somehow through shrapnel
हाँ.
she gets shot. Which
While
also
she's
no-
pregnant.
Yeah, while she's
immediately
pregnant.
after,
Okay,
of
हाँ.
course. How
हाँ,
else will
मतलब
it
how
impact?
else,
Right.
How else will it be impactful?
Yeah.
Right?
If just wife dies, then what's the point? Wife
Yeah,
and
of
kid
course,
after
pregnant,
yeah.
Of course, has to be pregnant, dude. Has to be pregnant. Okay. And then shrapnel into her body
हाँ.
and right into stomach because baby has to die also.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए
Yeah.
कि
Miss हो
premature
जाए, हाँ,
baby
yeah,
तो फिर भी
exactly.
हम निकाल सकें.
Yeah.
So stupid. This is the whole thing. Okay. So anyway, she
And
dies.
dude, bro, again, very
Right.
funny thing. She उसको लग गई है, उसको पता उसको लग गई है, ठीक है?
हाँ, no
I mean, this was
communication.
so
There is no communication.
So
She's like, अच्छा तुम जाओ उसके साथ मेरे bodyguard के साथ he'll take you home.
हाँ ठीक है, and she's like हाँ ठीक है वो चली जाती है. And then while she's sitting in the car,
She was shitting also in the car.
she's sitting in the car. She goes, मुझे राजा जी से संजय से बात करनी है,
हाँ.
ठीक है? तो संजय बैठ, भाई तेरी बीवी तेरे को बोल रही है कि उसको तेरे से बात करनी है,
हाँ.
ठीक है? वो इतनी ही दूरी पे खड़ा है, ठीक है?
क्या?
She's like, and then Salman goes like,
Yeah. He's like, we'll call.
अबे भाई कर लेना बस. And dude, then also she doesn't say कि भाई मेरे लग गई है, मैं मर सकती हूँ, क्या कर रहा है?
She's like, yeah, okay,
She's like,
take it.
हाँ,
Okay, of course. Yeah, more
Because
important things to
क्या
worry
ही
about.
मतलब, as in,
You have more important things to worry about. Yeah, of course. Then also, okay. Then turns out, okay. Rani Sahiba को लग गई थी. So she's in the hospital. And Salman is just on the phone. Huh? Okay, उसका ख्याल रख देना. Bas, that's it. And then he cancels
like,
the phone.
कुछ ज्यादा तो नहीं हुआ. And
ज़्यादा
she's
नहीं
in the fucking ICU. ठीक है? And Sharman Joshi, the one who's playing Raja's
Also,
right hand.
He looks dead in this movie, dude. Salman Rushdie is again.
Yeah, dude,
like, no energy.
I was expecting like पता नहीं baller kind of a performance. But anyway, he's like उसको कुछ खास वो ऐसे कुछ serious तो नहीं हुआ. He's like नहीं राजा जी बस ठीक है. अरे क्यों नहीं बता रहे उसको?
Why aren't you telling him?
Why aren't you? मतलब exactly.
Right.
तेरी बीवी है.
Ridiculous. Okay. Anyway, so then she fucking dies. Okay, and she was an organ donor. She turns out her eyes go to this woman. Okay, her lungs go to this kid, and her heart goes to this
Another
young
young
girl.
lady, yeah.
Okay.
Now what happens is Salman is like,
All
oh,
three of them are in Mumbai.
Okay.
no, yeah. What happens? Salman is like, okay, where are these donors? I want to find them because I want to make sure their lives
They
are
are
okay
okay.
because
I couldn't
my
say
wife should live
Right.
on. My
हाँ.
wife, in some manner should
हाँ.
live on.
हाँ.
Okay, good thought.
हाँ.
Nice thought.
हाँ.
Okay, he goes and meets these people. First, he goes to the kid
Hmm.
who got the lungs. Okay, the kid, he got the lungs, but the lungs are of no use, or they will again get fucked because he's living in the most polluted area in all of Bombay.
भाई एक और बात भाई, मुझे
हाँ।
ये नहीं समझ में आया कि कैसे
हाँ,
एक, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता अगर इसमें कोई मेडिकल ऐसा सच में हो जाता है
हाँ।
कि नहीं, एक 30 साल की औरत
औरत
की
का
लंग्स
lungs
एक 12 साल के बच्चे में कैसे आ गई हैं भाई?
भूल के नहीं रहा है।
What the fuck,
Yeah,
dude?
man.
I
I
was
don't know.
thinking, हमने
You're
क्या चल रहा है?
I didn't think of that. That's so funny.
अब like, चलो ठीक है,
That's so
कोई
funny.
नहीं होता होगा,
Yeah.
इसे भाई ने
Yeah.
बोला है मैं मान लेगा, ठीक है?
Yeah.
And for some reason भाई the राजा, bro, fuck the funniest thing, मैं भाई थिएटर में हंसी जा रहा था, and this is not a laughing thing in the movie, ठीक है? So ऑर्गन डोनर्स का जिनको भी ऑर्गन मिला रहता है उनका नाम अब नहीं डिस्क्लोज कर सकते, ठीक है? बट बिकॉज सलमान बिंग सलमान एंड इज द राजा, ही कॉल्स द डॉक्टर एंड इज लाइक मुझे बता
और
कि किसको मिला है वो ऑर्गन। तो इज लाइक राजा साहब मैं आपको बता देता हूँ ये आप राजा साहब हो, पर प्लीज किसी और को मत बताएं, ठीक है? अरे यार गधा फिल्म राइटर भाई वो उसको बताता है एंड इज लाइक अच्छा ठीक है मैं जाऊंगा, ठीक है? एंड द नेक्स्ट सीन इज कि वो सुन के स्टेशन पे है एंड देन ही लुक्स टू शर्मन जोशी, इज लाइक इस लड़की को, इस आंटी को और इस लड़के को उसके ऑर्गन मिले हैं, मुझे इनके लिए जाना ही होगा, ठीक है? इन द नेक्स्ट सीन
भाई अभी तो बोला है, he just promised.
ब्रो नेक्स्ट सीन, ठीक है? एंड देन ही रीचेस, वो उसको बताता है, वो उसके बॉडीगार्ड को बता देता है, ठीक है? एंड अब ये सारे फॉर सम रीजन ट्रेन से जा रहे हैं, पहला
Dude, why train?
बाय ट्रेन,
Dude, he's
Why
a Raja. He's shown as one of the
Is there an
richest people in the
action scene
country.
on that train?
इज देयर? नो
No,
no,
actually.
he
No,
just
just for the
reaches
heck
Travel,
of it.
just
Yeah,
they
yeah,
want to
just
show.
for
He look at him common.
ट्रेन, ठीक है?
Rajas
तो ही
just like
रीचेस
us.
देयर एंड देन ही इज लाइक कि ये जो बच्चा है, इस बच्चे का सब ठीक करने की कोशिश, वो आंटी की
तो-
जिसको आंखें मिली हैं
हाँ।
ठीक करने की कोशिश, एंड एक सेकंड बस, ठीक है? फिर वो जो लड़की है उसको ठीक करने की कोशिश, ठीक है? फिर देन पीपल आर लाइक तू है कौन जो तू रैंडमली ठीक कर रहा है? ही बिल्ड सम डिसगाइज ऑफ सॉर्ट्स, ठीक है? फिर बाद में व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज सपोज टू गेट ओपन एंड ऑल, ठीक है? तो दे आर लाइक कि ये तो तू ऐसे था, ये तो तू वैसे था, तू तो वांटेड लिस्ट में है, तू तो क्रिमिनल है, एंड देन देयर इज दिस सम रैंडम डूड दैट कम्स जो जिसको आंखें मिली है ना उसका बड़ा भाई बना है, एंड देन ही इज लाइक कि आप जानते भी हो वो कौन है? वो राजकोट का राजा है, और पता है वो यहाँ क्यों आया था? क्योंकि इसको उसकी आंखें मिली है, उसको उसका दिल मिला है, और उसको उसके फेफड़े मिले हैं, ठीक है? एंड देन this random girl Facebook lives the entire thing, and then she's
Goes
like,
viral again.
and then she's like,
It goes viral on a dime, dude. On a
and
dime.
then she's
It's so
like,
easy.
उसको उसका दिल मिला है, उसको, and I'm like, भाई डॉक्टर ने बोला था किसी को मत
So basically, yes, he's right. What happens, right? As progressively, you realize that he has
There's
come
still
to
more
Bombay.
plot, huh?
No, yeah, as he's come to Bombay to correct the lives of all the people who've gotten the organs from his
Right.
wife. Okay. Now, the main conflict of the movie is the politician whose son he beat
Oh
up.
yeah.
He says,
I
dude,
forgot.
you
Yes.
already forget these
Yes.
things. They're important things.
Pratik Babbar's father.
Yeah, exactly. President
Yeah.
father. Okay, so now, just so happens in Bombay, while Salman is in Bombay, okay, traveling from organ donee 1 to organ donee 2, okay,
organ receiver on, organ
Donee.
receiver one,
you call
organ
it,
receiver
you
two.
get it,
Yeah.
you get it. Okay, he's going from organ receiver 1 to receiver 2 in a this time in a Kali Pili taxi.
Oh right, yeah, I read about this.
every all the
भाई वो काली बिली टैक्सी में वो उसको
secret games का है ना वो बंदा.
सीक्रेट गेम्स का बंटी,
Hmm.
तो वो कहता है कितना बड़ा हुआ, वो
उसकी
कहता है
acting
इतना
अच्छी थी by the
भाई
way. He
वो
was the
उसको
only one.
अच्छी एक्टिंग,
He was the
बहुत
only
अच्छा
one who
actor
was
है
good in the movie.
वो कहता है कितना बड़ा हुआ, वो कहता है एक,
Hmm.
वो 100 बोलना चाहता होगा, 100, भाई वो 1 लाख निकाल के दे देता है।
हाँ, विधायक रख ले
रख ले
ऐसा तो कोई भी राजा
भाई,
चूतिया नहीं है दुनिया में.
भाई उस नोट पे लिखा चिल्ड्रंस बैंक कॉमेडी।
Okay, it's crazy. Dude, things like this keep happening. So what I'm getting to basically is that there is a now he's going from organ receiver 1 to organ receiver 2, and while this is happening, while he's on the way, there is also a political rally happening.
Okay.
Political rally, who's running? The politician, because only one politician in the world, right?
And he said, मेरे बेटे का वीडियो वायरल कर दिया, वो मेरा बेटा है ही नहीं, वो एआई है।
First he said that वो AI को डॉक्टर फुटेज करके मेरे बेटे को ऐसा जलील किया. Whatever, all these shit he says. Okay, Pratik Babbar starting right there.
Yeah.
Okay, somehow now all the cops are bought by this guy. All the cops, all the local media people are bought by the politician, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay. They realize that a cop notices that Salman Khan is stuck in a Kali Pili in traffic
jam.
right outside where
the
the
rally.
fucking political rally is happening. He's like, sir, आपके राजा तो यहाँ पे है.
जिसने
Okay.
आपकी हमारी दी
ऐसे आपकी गाड़ यहाँ.
आपके
वो
सामने
यहीं पे है सर. He's like, क्या? यहीं पे what are the odds of this? Even the politician like, yeah, what are the odds? चल मैं चूतिया पागल है ऐसे हंसता है यहाँ पे. जब उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ यहीं पे गुजर
वो literally politician go like the चूतिया
Yeah,
है.
he does actually. But then you're like, okay, what if he's right? In hindsight, okay, take it. Just go check, double check. Tells his son, Pradeep Babbar, ja, go double check. If it is him, fucking
Kill
beat the
him.
fuck, kill him.
Yeah.
Take care of him. Okay. Pradeep Babbar goes. Okay. Now they try to track him with a very badly done camera job by this local reporter, which तो चलो ठीक है, separate thing है. Okay. Finally, the traffic खुलता है. Now the taxi is Salman's taxi is ahead,
Yeah.
and Pratik Babbar in a Scorpio or some
हाँ,
other
whatever,
SUV
वो उसके पीछे उसको chase कर रहा है.
chase कर रहा है. Pratik Babbar is standing through the sunroof of the car, and he's throwing Molotov cocktails.
Right.
Okay, but dude, the craziness of the Molotov cocktail is, did you know that? Okay, this is bizarre. Pratik Babbar says, ये जो भी cocktail दे, जो Molotov cocktail, whatever he says, whatever, दे मेरे को, okay. The guy, his goon, literally CGI so bad, he picks up an already lit Molotov cocktail, like from the bottom of the car, he picks up a lit Molotov cocktail. How does that shit work? How does that work? The car will explode, dude. What are you
Which
talking-
eventually happens.
Yeah, normally what the point of Molotov cocktail is to make it look cool. You have
Yeah.
to just take it out, put the
Light
lighter,
it
you
up,
get
yeah.
a whole effect,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
This guy just already just fucking flipping it out of the car. And then finally, the dumbest death. How does he die? How do you think Pratik Babbar dies?
He
a
explodes
guess.
in the car.
Dude, exactly.
उसके
He
हाथ से छूट
गाड़ी
जाती
थोड़ी
है.
सी हिल जाती है.
उसके
His
हाथ
Molotov
से
cocktail falls in his
छूट
own
जाती
car, he dies.
और वो
Are you
पड़ गया.
serious?
Yeah.
Dude.
And he dies.
Salman doesn't even do
Salman
like,
doesn't do anything. Salman has no
बस
idea.
गाड़ी चला रहा है.
Dude, Salman has no
no
idea. सब
idea.
कि किसकी गाड़ी पीछे कहाँ हो गया.
बड़ी है उसकी गाड़ी भाई.
Tension, yeah.
सलमान मस्त ट्रेन में बैठ के
हाँ,
चला.
भाई,
man.
कुछ टेंशन ही नहीं भाई.
और फिर उस प्रतीक बब्बर का बाप सलमान को फोन करके बताता है यार
Again the dumbest thing. Okay, again the dumbest thing. They have a conversation on the phone. Salman like वो तेरा बेटा हमारा गलती थी जैसे कि मेरी वाइफ मरी वो भी गलती. चल ठीक है. गलती cancel each other. Fuck it. Okay. But the politician, the dumbest thing. Firstly, he wanted to find out how is Salman ended up in Bombay anyway. Okay, that was his big thing. He finds out that he's here to take care of these three organ donors. Okay.
Organ receiver.
Organ receivers. So now that his son is dead, he's like, now मैं देखता हूँ.
कि तेरी बीवी का भी कोई भी अंश जिंदा नहीं रहना चाहिए.
How
उन
is
तीनों
this
को भी
the
मार
next
दूंगा.
is this logical at all?
And then सलमान literally says कि अब मैं तेरे को बताऊंगा सिकंदर का मुकद्दर. अब यही फाइट मेरी सिकंदर का मुकद्दर है. And he cuts the call and he's like उतरो. And दोनों ट्रेन से उतर जाते हैं. And then यहाँ पे इंटरवल हो जाता है
Oh.
कि now the second half is
Yeah.
basically Salman protecting these three
People,
receivers.
But also, how they reveal in the movie that the politician found out that this is the reason he's in Bombay because of these three donors, receivers. They make it seem like this could be possibly the only reason on earth that someone could be in Bombay for anything. Why else would anyone come to
अरे
Bombay?
AB नेगेटिव ब्लड ग्रुप भाई एक तो ब्लड ग्रुप मैच करवाना हो तो AB नेगेटिव डाल देते हैं क्योंकि वो
Correct.
सबसे रेयर ब्लड
Yeah, be worried.
लाइक
No, it
AB
will be
नेगेटिव ब्लड ग्रुप के सिर्फ 3 ही लोगों को मुंबई में ऑर्गन मिला है और वो यही 3 लोग हैं और वो वही 3 लोग निकलते हैं डूड
Down.
क्रेजी एंड सलमान एक्चुअली caters to 3 different social issues
Oh.
with these 3 like
So one is women should be allowed to work and women empowerment.
yeah
One is
like
pollution.
and
And the other
third
is love.
love I guess
Dude, the
Like,
love angle is the dumbest.
dumbest
Even
angle,
from
dude.
all the dumb angles, the love angle is the
the
dumbest.
dumbest angle, dude. She's like, why is
Dude, that chick is Varun Dhawan's
Varun
niece or
Dhawan's
something.
niece,
No,
I guess.
niece
कुछ
or
ऐसा
cousin
ही
or
है.
something like that.
But it's related to Varun Dhawan, I
Yeah,
guess.
and-
Yeah.
Okay.
So just as bad an actress, I get it. Sorry.
यार मुझे वरुण धवन ठीक लगता है.
ठीक ही लगता है actually.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
But bro, crazy film, dude. भाई उसके अंदर ना एक बहुत. So again, so there are two, according to me, there are two decent things in the film. One,
There are?
अंदर एक शॉक हो गया.
Yeah.
बड़ा है क्या ना क्या ठीक है सलमान
ऐसे
के
नोट्स लिख के बैठो कि how bad the movie was. Can't
So,
miss any points.
I think दो सीक्वेंसेस मुझे जो लगे कि ठीक थे, वो डिसेंटली डन. एक, मोस्टली जिन सीक्वेंसेस में सलमान जो बच्चों वाला सीक्वेंस है ना, उसमें जब सलमान इमोशनल होता है, मुझे लगा कि सलमान ने बहुत सही पुल ऑफ किया है.
Okay.
एनीवे ही इज वेरी फेमस फॉर
But he
पुलिंग
still,
ऑफ
his hands are always in his pocket even then, dude.
नहीं मतलब as in
Just do
like
out
the
of why-
like he's when he's sitting by the kid, he's consoling him and he's like कि नहीं मरेगा तू वगैरह वगैरह, चिल कर लाइफ में, मैं हूं ना इधर टाइप्स. ठीक है, तो वो उस टाइम आई थिंक again everybody says this in the industry and I also believe it to an extent that
Salman cries well.
Salman has a very good emotional range when it comes to acting. ठीक है, मुझे लगता है कि वो जब वो रोने वाले सीन्स करता है तो वो बहुत सही करता है.
Okay.
तो मुझे वो सीक्वेंस उसके अच्छे लगे. दो ऐसे सीक्वेंस थे जिसमें वो रोए, तीन थे, एक बहुत फकौल था, दो बहुत अच्छे थे. फकौल वाला वही वाला है जिसपे वो मीम बन रहा है कि वो नोटिस पीरियड पे एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
अच्छा, हाँ,
ठीक है.
वो he is talking to someone.
Sharman,
Yeah, Sharman, yeah.
But the two scenes with the kid, they are very good. And मुझे उसके, again, I'm not saying these are legit fighting sequences, but the way the fighting sequences were portrayed, the typical slow motion, high BGM, people flying, etc.
Yeah.
Because मैं वही expect करके गया था, तो वो sequences मुझे अच्छे लगे.
Okay.
But these are the only two things that I found to be watchable of sorts.
Just
I guess.
barely that too.
Barely. Yeah, I agree. Again, not defending the film in any way.
Man,
But these two
yeah.
things, yes.
I also read somewhere, by the way, I don't know, is this rumor true that the film wrapped up shooting on 15th March and it was
Yeah,
released
very,
on...
very close to...
Oh, it was a reshot something, is what I'm saying.
So apparently the climax sequence was still left. And I think... So I think... यार सलमान ने ना ये फिल्म बहुत ही अजीब सर्कमस्टांसेस में भी शूट करी है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. अगेन मैं रीजनिंग नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मैं बस एक बात रख रहा हूँ. लाइक व्हाई ही वाज शूटिंग द सॉन्ग जो होली वाला गाना है, उस टाइम पे उसका रिब जो था वो टूट
Injured हो
गया.
कैसे टूटा यार? गाने की वजह से टूटा है?
वो नहीं मुझे पता, बट आई थिंक उसका रिब टूट गया लिटरली. सो उसका जो स्टेप है जिसमें वो यहाँ पे हाथ रख रहा है, अपेरेंटली वो स्टेप ऐसा था ही नहीं. वो स्टेप में वो दोनों हाथ से कुछ ऐसे कर रहा था, बट वो ही नहीं पा रहा था कि, तो उसने एक हाथ यहाँ पे रख के वो पूरे स्टेप्स किए हैं सारे. सो अगेन आई थिंक लाइक ही
Wait, he has had this rib injury throughout his career, or what?
नहीं अभी
This is
but like again there is no discounting the fact that the film is bad, but then again the circumstances in Salman was also again break ले लो ना यार, अगर ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है तो I would actually want that Salman takes like a couple of years off.
Bro, but he's
Sure.
already like, what, 60 now, right?
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
done 60 this
so-
year.
If he takes a break, whatever,
यार
by the
शाहरुख
time...
ने ले रहा है ना 3 साल का ब्रेक, फिर कर रहा है ना पिक्चर. 2023 में करी थी सलमान, इससे शाहरुख ने 3 पिक्चरें, अब 27 में आएगी किंग. 4 साल का ब्रेक है.
Dude, I don't even worry. I don't even care about the break. I would just say,
Just give us a good product.
Product. There are so many things go into a film.
Yeah.
Just choose good scripts, dude.
And I was surprised
Scripts.
actually, dude. So
Get one aspect right.
Salman actually let go of Inshallah with Bansali, The Bull with Karan Johar,
For this shit.
and the Atlee 6, and comes out with this. What? Why?
No make any
Like, I
sense.
think since he's let go of Inshallah, he's come out with Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan. Then he let go of The Bull, which was actually announced. Karan Johar ने सलमान के बर्थडे पे सलमान को विश करते हुए #The Bull करके पोस्ट डाला था पूरा. ठीक है. That got shelved for some reason. And now Atlee 6, because of budget constraints, that is also shelved. And now I think the next film that he's doing is with Sanjay Dutt, is an action thriller rumored to be directed by Kabir Khan.
Okay.
Okay, that's again. I hope that's good, dude.
But again, Tubelight was also directed by Kabir Khan.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
But again, Tiger was also directed by Kabir Khan.
And
like the
Bajrang,
OG
Bajrangi
first
was
one.
also.
And Bajrangi
Ek
also.
tha Tiger, yeah, and
So
Bajrang.
again, I don't understand
83,000.
कि ऐसा क्या सलमान को लगा होगा कि मैं The Bull छोड़ देता हूँ.
Yeah,
Because I
man.
mean, from the names you mentioned, it just seems like this movie was easier for him to ghost direct because A.R. Murugadas, right?
Murugadas, yeah.
That he's not as big a name as a Bansali or a Karan Johar, where they have
So
come-
Bansali के साथ तो dates का issue हुआ था.
No, but they also
But that's
seem
always they say, dude.
Bansali and Karan Johar also seem to be the kind of directors who have full control on their films. Whereas I
Right.
think Salman wants someone who he can easily manipulate into doing what he wants to do in the movie rather than what they
Like
want.
no
I
work.
don't know,
No,
man. I like
That's
I
why I
मतलब
think,
I would
yeah.
actually
We didn't do his bingo thing, dude.
Yeah, I will come to that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
Want to do that now?
No, please finish.
हाँ.
हाँ मतलब मैं वही सोच रहा था कि यार अगर अगर बंसाली कुछ क्रिएट कर रहा है
हम्म.
तो वो कचरा तो नहीं क्रिएट करेगा
इससे तो
ठीक है।
बेटर होगा.
मतलब आई थिंक लाइक वर्स्ट कम्स टू वर्स्ट वो एवरेज चीज दे देगा
Right.
Yeah.
ठीक है
Yeah.
बट आई थिंक लाइक व्हाई वुड यू लेट गो ऑफ इंशाल्लाह विद आलिया एंड दिस गाय बंसाली ऑलरेडी कीप्स एनीवे कीप्स सलमान एट अ पेडेस्टल क्योंकि उसने उसकी
Right.
पहली फिल्म करी थी
हम्म.
you let go of that for किसी का भाई किसी की जान you let go of the bull which again dude these जिसमें
Yep.
वो एक एक्चुअली स्पाई या कुछ आई थिंक एक सुपर कॉप या कुछ ऐसा कुछ प्ले कर रहा था
बुल में.
बुल में
But
रॉ
another-
एजेंट टाइप सी कुछ बट कुछ
Another
ऐसा
spy
ही
only. Another एक था.
हाँ, बट देन अगेन नहीं द थिंग इज कि अगर उसने उसको द बुल कैरेक्टर का नाम दिया है कुछ बनाया है तो उसने कुछ तो सोचा ही होगा ना करण जौहर ने भी हवा में तो वो भी चीजें नहीं बनाता यार
But उसमें सोच यार देख, in all honesty, yeah, Murugadoss after Ghajini is
has not been doing it his
yeah,
last 5 films
but
were
that means his track record is fucking exceptional, no? If Ghajini was his last film, is that right?
No, it wasn't his
No,
last
it wasn't
film.
his
He's
last
made.
film, it
Bollywood.
was his last big film
Okay.
like the one that worked actually
What are the movies that he made after that?
I think he made
Akira
Tamil
one.
films.
Oh,
Akira, the
the-
Sonakshi Sinha film.
Sonakshi
हाँ
Sinha
I
film?
think
Okay.
Akira
That,
was
for
one.
what I've heard, was a decent film.
Yeah,
It
I
didn't
check
do
कर
very
रहा
यार
well.
मैंने एमी तो नहीं बोलते मेरे
Yeah.
ख्याल से तो उसी ने बनाई है
Oh, yeah. But yeah, dude,
Akira.
if you're going after Ghajini fame, it makes sense, dude. If you go with Murugadoss, I don't mind
But
that.
Ghajini was 2009, like 16 years ago.
Regardless, some people can coax on their good name for a
Yeah.
while.
Probably.
Yeah, like Salman is doing, dude. Basically, right?
Yeah, so I wanted to ask that.
हाँ
Like, Murugadoss, Akira, okay.
सरकार
So,
जिसका ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि सिकंदर इज आल्सो लाइक रिप्ड आउट ऑफ
Yeah.
yeah.
No, you're saying that also.
That was
Akira
also-
Sarkar का remake.
नहीं सरकार का रीमेक लोग कह रहे हैं कि
सिकंदर।
सिकंदर है, हाँ
Okay.
बट वो भी इसकी है सेम डायरेक्टर अकीरा इज
Murugadoss,
आल्सो सेम
yeah.
डायरेक्टर
Yeah, yeah.
I was saying, so Salman's last bona fide hit was Tiger Zinda Hai, which was in 2017.
17 dude it's been
नहीं,
नहीं अभी last year में Tiger.
Tiger 3 was also not good.
But it was a hit. It was.
I mean, technically, with the Khans, anything they do
Always,
will,
अब
will
जैसे सिकंदर has also done like 120-130 crore
yeah, which for any other actor
Global,
would be
yeah.
like their biggest.
Yeah, the biggest hit.
their
Correct.
biggest hit.
Yeah, that's true.
But
70-75 करोड़ आई थिंक इंडियन हो गए हैं
अच्छा।
70-75 करोड़ इंडियन है और
30-40
120-130
oh, अच्छा.
अराउंड ग्लोबल है
Okay. So, do you guys think that Salman's action phase is over? He should probably try something else.
भाई आई वुड एक्चुअली वांट मतलब अगेन फेज ओवर तो नहीं है क्लियरली उसकी अगली फिल्म में संजय दत्त के साथ एक्शन है बट आई वुड एक्चुअली वांट फॉर हिम टू टेक सम टाइम ऑफ
Because around this
Yeah.
time, Mr. Bachchan had started playing father roles. Like he was
यार,
doing
मतलब
Mohabbatein.
That though is fine. Of
That-
course you should.
हाँ
I would like him to experiment more with genre also, dude. Just do.
What other genre can Salman do?
Dude, Salman can do thriller. Dude, this is the time. These
in
guys have
thriller,
nothing
he-
to lose.
In thrillers, he has to give even a even better acting performance,
Dude,
which
but
clearly he doesn't want to.
I
अब
mean,
जैसे
yeah,
इसके अंदर
fair.
एक सीन है
but
भाई
that's the
इसके
thing,
अंदर एक
dude.
लास्ट फाइटिंग सीक्वेंस है वेयर द मेजर फाइटिंग सीक्वेंस एंड में जो है उसके अंदर लिटरली देयर इज दिस सीन वेयर सलमान्स कैरेक्टर इज बेसिकली वो नहीं होता वो भाले से बेसिकली हाथ में शफल कर रहा है जैसे होता है भाई ऑब्वियसली सलमान इज नॉट डूइंग दैट
Right.
भाई वो चेहरा चिपकाया हुआ है बंदे के ऊपर
Yeah.
इट इज सो क्लियरली विजिबल
Right.
तुम कैसे 600-700 करोड़ लगा सकते हो एक पिक्चर पे और तुम ये एक बेसिक वीएफएक्स नहीं सॉर्ट कर सकते भाई एमएसडी दी अनटोल्ड स्टोरी जो 2016 में आई थी ना उसमें उन्होंने चेहरा ठीक से चिपका लिया था यार तुम इसमें क्यों नहीं चिपका पा रहे
That's
व्हाट
great.
इज द प्रॉब्लम वेयर इज द डिस्कनेक्ट हाउ आर वी गोइंग बैड टू वर्स इन वीएफएक्स टेक्नोलॉजी तो साली बेटर होनी चाहिए ना यार
Because they just had 15 days to
Yeah, and
paste
also
that.
since you have
face.
all the budgets, dude. Sikandar clearly had all the budgets
like
to do.
600-700 करोड़ लग रहे हैं या चल जितने भी लग रहे हैं यार 200 से तो ज्यादा ही लगे हैं पिक्चर पे अगर तुम 200 करोड़ में चेहरा नहीं चिपका पा रहे यार क्या चल रहा है
Yeah.
एंड इट इज डिसअपॉइंटिंग एज अ फैन एक्चुअली मतलब मैं बहुत सारे पता है क्या होता है ना नॉर्मली सोशल मीडिया पे देख रहा हूँ नॉर्मली क्या होता है लोग रैंट करते हैं अबाउट लाइक बैड फिल्म्स जैसे अभी हमने भी कुछ हद तक रैंट किया लोग रैंट कर रहे हैं बट Salman, like this is one of those films जो Salman fans भी defend नहीं कर पाए.
I know, yeah.
And they are also like कि they've come out with like भाई हम कौन होते हैं आपको सजेशन देने वाले, बट फिर भी भाई like for the sake of all the fans, like give us one clean good hit, one good film.
Yeah.
Because again, all of us have seen him work in Tiger, we've seen him work in Tiger, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Sultan, all these films. He can pull it off if he wants to. I just don't know where the disconnect is at this point.
Yeah.
Probably go back to the drawing board.
So then let's end on a good note. If you
No,
wanted,
wait, we have to play my.
oh, of course, yeah,
So
sure.
it's just 3 questions that I have. Was there a shirtless bhai scene in the
No.
movie? Okay.
Does he have anything where any line where he?
There is wait, there is a point where he almost takes off his shirt, but
So
then the goons run
again,
away.
that also
Because of
feels
this.
like a fall flat gag.
Yeah.
Where he's trying to tease कि मैं shirt उतारूंगा and
Shirt.
then he just puts it back.
Yeah.
Got it.
This type of gag worked in Ready.
Correct.
ठीक है,
Oh,
Ready
shit.
में
I don't
था
remember,
ऐसा
dude.
gag,
I
ठीक
don't
है.
remember, हाँ.
यहाँ पे क्यों, बिकॉज रेडी में भी ये क्यों फिट मतलब फटा ये गया क्योंकि वो बिल्डअप भी उस तरीके का था. यहाँ पे फॉल फ्लैट तुमने 3 बारी 2 बारी कोशिश करी, वो
Yeah.
इफेक्टिव सीन निकल गया, तब मेरे को लगा ओ इसने वो करने की कोशिश किया.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Is there a self-referential line where bhai references to one of his older
Oh,
films?
that's that self-reference to his dad's line कि
What?
तुम मेरा मुझे वहाँ ढूंढ रहे हो और मैं तुम्हारे घर में इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ.
Line
I
from
think he shared in the trailer
Dawn.
also, if I'm
Diwar.
not wrong.
Dawn, yeah.
Diwar,
Diwar, sorry.
yeah, correct.
My bad.
Yeah.
And
Also, but they did tweak the line. The original line is कि तुम मुझे वहाँ ढूंढ रहे हो और मैं तुम्हारा यहाँ
यहाँ
इंतजार कर
इंतजार
रहा
कर
हूँ.
रहा हूँ, मैं तुम्हारा तुम्हारे घर में इंतजार
Yeah.
कर रहा हूँ.
okay.
Yeah.
And
Which again, he didn't have to. I don't know why they changed it like that.
Yeah,
It's a very weird change. They could just make यहाँ इंतजार कर रहा हूँ could be the
Does bhai have an embarrassing dance step in
all of
any
them.
of
dude.
this?
all of them.
All of them, dude.
All
Okay.
of them.
All of them.
Okay. So one bingo is
there is this scene where obviously सलमान तो अपना वो ब्रेसलेट पहन के आई, उसी से एंट्री होती है, ठीक है. तो बट लास्ट में जो गुंडे मारने आ रहे हैं ना उनमें से भी किसी एक ने सलमान वाला ब्रेसलेट पहना हुआ है. I was just randomly
Nice. Nice. Dude, also, okay, I would say the best part of this whole Sikandar saga was the first teaser that came out.
वो बहुत अच्छा teaser
Right?
था.
That the samurai
And
one.
उसमें वो
Dude,
samurai
there
वाला
was no
कोई
samurai
logic
in that
नहीं था.
movie.
that
There's
was
no-
just to.
There's no throwback to Japan. There's nothing happening in Japan even closely related to this. What are the samurais for? What a mislead. Why would he do that?
बट मुझे ये दो सही लगे. एक मुझे वो सही लगा जो the BGM. A lot of people are saying that they found the
background
BGM
music
to
is not
be-
good, huh?
Yeah, but the Thrones वाला जो गाना है.
See, the thing is, no, the BGM is supposed to elevate the movie.
Yeah.
There's nothing to be elevated. What do you elevate?
Correct. Yeah.
हाँ तो वही है.
So
बट
this-
मुझे वो अच्छा लगा था. सिकंदर जो बस में है teaser.
The Sikandar.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली वो अच्छा था. मुझे वो अच्छा लगा. बस वही था.
Yeah,
और मुझे
fair enough.
जो एक्चुअल जो एंड वाला सिकंदर का गाना है वो भी ठीक लगा था. थोड़ा ग्रूवी लगा. बट देन और कुछ भी नहीं है picture
Cool.
में.
Let us know, man. If you haven't seen the film, we would love to hear your predictions as to your bingo cards or your bingo. What do you call it? Options?
Bingo card only.
Your bingo
Yeah.
cards as to what you think would have happened in the film. Let us know. Things that usually you expect from every Salman film. All of that. Let us know. If you have seen the film, let us know what you thought of it. Do you agree with everything we said? Do you not? Do you think it was one of his best films?
And how are the reviewers
yeah, I
being
don't know
like ये
either.
4 star 3.5 star
कौन सा
वाला
reviewer? No reviewers.
भाई आपने साजिद
poster
भाई
पे,
क्या
हाँ.
बात कर रहे हो
कौन सा reviewer, bro?
भाई रुको.
But it's all publications I've never even heard of.
Yeah, correct. Must be the odd paid one, you know?
मतलब I'm
Because
sure but
most
then
reputable publications are fucking calling this out, dude.
you're right. like ऐसा होता है ना कि कभी-कभी just for the sake of it लोग थोड़ा मास्क करके बोलते हैं. नहीं इसको तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं बोल रहा
लगाने
है
की
भाई.
जरूरत ही नहीं है भाई. Because what do you mask? There's nothing to be masked. Except for the pollution bomb. Hey, dude, please mask that pollution. ये क्यों है? All right. So yes, as your closing statements, anything else to plug, guys? Comment below whatever you want about the film, how you hated it. What do you think Hrithik Roshan will be like as a
As a
director?
director, yes.
Let us know. And why do you think movies are not working other than all the factors you already mentioned, which is scripts are not good, fucking OTT window is too
The
less.
tickets are expensive.
Tickets are freaking expensive.
Popcorns are expensive.
Popcorn are
tickets
expensive.
also,
And Caribbean would have been more expensive if it was up to
The finance minister,
Yeah.
yes.
All right, let us know all this. Please follow everything we're doing. We are
Yes.
putting a lot of efforts into making this show आज फिर से हमें 12 बज गए
बज गए
रिकॉर्डिंग
12 में?
हाँ भाई
12 बज गए
हो
क्या?
जाता है भाई
3 अप्रैल हो गया
चाहे
हमारा।
जितने बजे भी हम बैठे
I
हैं, 9
swear
12
to
बज ही
God,
जाएंगे
आज
हमारे।
तो आ भी गए थे टाइम
Yes.
पे।
So please, I hope you're enjoying this. Tell your friends about this cool Bollywood podcast that's around.
Yeah,
called-
dude, support Antariksh bro.
called
He's doing a
Filmy
lot
Colada.
of stuff. भाई बहुत
Popcorn-
स्ट्रेस्ड रहता है,
भाई बहुत स्ट्रेस
बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड रहता है। सपोर्ट हिम,
Please
उसको
support.
इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो, उसके सारे
Please,
शोज को
हमें-
सब्सक्राइब करो।
Please make me viral so that I don't have to do this shit. I don't have to do this all day. Please do this. All right. See you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hasta la vista.